What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
So bless up on the self viewers and subscribers, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. So right about now, people, me I go telling you this. Yes, right now, people, Miss SONIA Patterson has done it again. And this time, people, she gone even bigger. She gone even further. Right now, people, Miss SONIA Patterson has described now as the Jamaican Oprah Winfrey, because now she take the charity where she do from Jamaica, people, and just take one little minute, so, and make one little move, so, and you know she reach now, people, over in Nigeria, in Africa. Viewers and subscribers, big up to Miss SONIA Patterson, because you don't know, people all over the world need help, and Miss SONIA Patterson, she circled the 14 parishes in Jamaica, people, but she not left Jamaica, she not gone nowhere, she there same way, but she just comes to go and make one little move and go over Nigeria and Africa, people, and go help out some needy over there. And I tell the viewers and subscribers, I have this video to share to people, and it's such a touching one, it's such a, oh my, it's a great one, people, for know, so yo, we look at Jamaica and we have some people out there with really talawa. But here we go on, people. This program that Miss SONIA Patterson has, she funded, people, you understand? And if anyone out there who can help and assist with this thing, people, there's a number there where you can come, so boom, and just call the number and link up or you can email her. And if you can't contribute financially, people, what me ask you for do, please subscribe to Miss SONIA Patterson channel, you understand? And make sure you see a new link sending over the people. You get me? I said, I'm going to just put a video, a link below in the description. All you have to do is just click on that link down there, people. Go over to the channel and subscribe. That's all. And help build this channel, because I'm telling people, this channel is 100%, and this program is all about giving back to the less fortunate. So you need a thing saying, boy, I wish I could have it in my pocket to help back somebody or help out somebody. But no, because your finger alone can just come, so boom, click on the in the link on the description, and then I go over there and click subscribe, and that's it. You've done help already. So big up on yourself, man. Just watch the thing, people, and enjoy. Jamaican Oprah Winfrey, Miss SONIA Patterson, Nigeria, Jano. Watch it and enjoy. Peace out. Attack!
Welcome back, viewers. Back then was Imokuri. Imokuri has prostate and has been on his hospital bed for the past 3 years. He can't go out to work, neither can he any good living or nor feed himself very well. But today, with SONIA Patterson Cares, we are able to offer him some food items which will last him for a little while, and he has smiles all over his face. Next was Onyedikachi was born with a crippled leg. She can't walk, she can't move because of her crippled legs. But today we were able to send some food items to her through to SONIA Patterson Cares, and she was so happy to accept these gifts from SONIA Patterson Cares. Next was Esther. Esther was a farmer, and currently she's blind. She can't see. She can no longer go to the farm and work to earn a living for herself. She's also an aged woman who can't do anything right now, and she has no one to help her. But with SONIA Patterson Cares, today she was able to get some food items. And if you watch the video very well, you could see her sing songs of praises to SONIA Patterson, because she wasn't expecting any of those things. She lost hope, but today SONIA Patterson gave her hope. Same thing with Comfort. Comfort also has issues with her legs. She can't go out to work, neither can she do much things on her own. But today, SONIA Patterson Cares reached out to her, and she's a very happy woman. She's full of smiles and praises. We thank God for SONIA Patterson Cares, and we pray that God continue to give us people like SONIA Patterson Cares, so that our world will be a better place. So our aged men and women will have reasons to smile. They will have enough to eat and take good care of themselves. If you have some words of encouragement. Hello everyone, my name is Charles Erojumba, and I'm from Nigeria. I'm currently in Imo State, in the eastern part of Nigeria. I'm here on behalf of SONIA Patterson Cares. Miss SONIA Patterson is a Jamaican who currently resides in Florida, United States of America, and she is the founder of SONIA Patterson Cares Foundation. Here today we are ready to give out some grocery items to aged women and men who can't afford it or who can't move out to work and earn a living. And today we are trying to put a smile on their faces through the SONIA Patterson Cares. Please join us today while we do this and put a smile on the faces of these aged men and women Thank you very much. Let's go.
Well, we begin to say thank you on behalf of the Patterson Care and Foundation. Despite what was happening in the way, you chose to serve others instead of yourself for them. So we said, okay, it's a nice gesture, and we said, okay, let's say thank you, ma. We appreciate you. Please help us to manage this stuff. This is like so you don't talking of manage. Share with this bit to say, please thank you for looking out for others first before yourself. So please, let's see we can do for now. So I will tell you because how she is a video, but please, Anambra man. It calls for reflection in this case. I think it's a good but the right inside, because his pocket, he has his by the time you thought about it, so, what just that to okay, now we are from SONIA Patterson Care and T00K Foundation, and you are what's the name? Okay, one Dikachi. Okay, Onye Dikachi. And so we're here from Uchi, as I said, and SONIA Patterson Care to show you love and support and to encourage you that there is always ability, disability, and also you shouldn't lose hope that everything will be fine. So on behalf of Uchi and SONIA, we're saying you should please help us manage this. Help us manage this. We know it's small, but please, this is just the beginning. With God on our side, we'll be able to provide more. So please help us manage this. And we pray God perfect everything and your heart desire and all that you desire in life. Thank you. You're welcome. Bless you too.
Ma Aisha SONIA Patterson.
Yes, and T00K Foundation.
When we bere high school, I did be about Christmas. I did aqua no happy Christmas. Cow tissue paper. Cow kind of bread. Cow aqua. Cow milk.
Domenice.
Cow not toy. Sorry. Cow pano omo. ga-eji na-asa akwa. That one chak. Lipton. Sugar. Hey, cow. Spaghetti. Maguna. Squeeze. Gin or fire. Then. Agua no sikapa. Yeah, rice. Na beans. Yeah, more better I can give you a little again. Hey,
Hello. Is it the Russian blind?
Chineke gozienu aka na uchiche m Chineke jedikwa ọrụ akwa na anụ ga nwe ọganihu nwa dị mma Chineke nna agha imere ebere tinu n'ihe dị mma na ọkwara mma Chineke nne na ọganihu ịhụnanya ka nna ji mere obi ya ọkwa nna m obi dukoro n'elu ka Chineke ka ọrụ Chineke nna ekele na ekele
Mama is saying thank you, and she's partially blind, so she's saying thank you in our dialect, Igbo language. Ma, deme. I gather everything. What I do is comfort on a normal. That's not
SONIA Foundation and SONIA Patterson. IBICD, Merry Christmas in advance, and CK meeting the main.
Cow bread.
I don't know what I hear.
Rice na beans. Aqua protein in it.
Because come on.
Hallelujah, para Pagaraya Jesus, Onyama.
She's a singer. And a big dancer.
Chineke ahụ tụkwara adịrị ka na-enyekwa n'ike more and more. Ụlọ ndị nwere ike iche anyị ọmụ ya kama ọ na-awụ ọ na-emela ma ọrị ma agwagagwaga ma agwaga mana chi anyị ime eluigwe Chineke ji ntị si n'ụga na-enyere anyị aka onye nwe anyị gozie n'aha Jizọs.
Okay. Mrs. Comfort boy is really grateful. She has issues with her leg and old age, so she's really grateful. She's saying thank you very much. Cheers and Uche Adopter Foundation. So we are here to present these items to you.
Please help us manage it.
Just okay. This is what we did for you.
Don't worry, keep it on the floor.
Sonia, Patterson and Uche Adopter said we should give this to you.
Anyways, we have some words of encouragement from Miss Sonia Patterson. You can reach out to her through any of our social media pages. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel at Sonia Patterson Cares, or you follow her on Instagram at Sonia Patterson Cares Official, or you can as well give her a call or send her a text message at 754-367-3320. And as you do that, may God continue to bless you. Please, before the end of this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. And as you do that, may God bless you more. Thank you very much.